Hey there, folks. If you're in Kenya and need to send money to Nigeria, you're in the right place. Whether it's for family support, business deals, or just helping out a friend, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This is super important because international transfers can involve fees, exchange rates, and security risks, but don't worry, I'll make it easy and straightforward. First things first, you have a few options for sending money. The most popular ones include using mobile money services like M-Pesa, which is widely available in Kenya, or international remittance apps such as WorldRemit, Western Union, or even bank transfers. Each method has its pros and cons, like speed, cost, and ease of use. For instance, mobile apps are often quicker and cheaper for smaller amounts. Let's break it down with a simple example using an app like WorldRemit. Step 1. Download the app or visit their website and create an account. You'll need to provide your personal details and verify your identity. Think of it as a quick security check. Step 2. Add funds to your account. You can link your Kenyan bank account, use a debit card, or even top up via M-Pesa. Once that's done, select Nigeria as the destination country. Next, enter the recipient's information accurately. That means their full name, bank account details, or mobile number if it's a mobile money transfer. Double-check everything to avoid delays or fees for corrections. Then, review the exchange rate and any transfer fees up front. Kenyan shillings will be converted to Nigerian naira, so keep an eye on the current rates to get the best deal. Hit send, and you're almost there. Most transfers arrive within minutes to a few hours, depending on the method. But here's a pro tip. Always use secure networks and two-factor authentication to protect your money from scams. Also, compare fees across services. Some might charge as little as 1 to 2% while others could be higher. Finally, once the money is sent, keep your transaction receipt for records. If you're sending larger amounts, check for any regulatory requirements in both countries. There you have it. That's how you send money from Kenya to Nigeria hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and safe sending.